Alright, this is what comes in our ball lock kits. We sell them in 1, 2, 3, and 4 taps, and they're all slightly different. But this is a 2 tap, for example. So we have 2 jumper lines with one side of these lines having black ball lock disconnects, and this side having 90-degree stainless steel tail pieces and nickel-plated beer nuts as well as washers. And this is your gas line with white disconnects. All the hoses in these have 5/16 side E's, so that's similar between all of them. And this is just the one airline that go from your CO2 to your manifold. And this is your manifold. It's an aluminum one. And if you were to get like a 4 tap or a 3 tap or anything like that, this would be a 3 or 4 tap. You'd have 3 or 4 of these hoses and 3 or 4 of the jumpers as well. And with all of these, you can also add an optional regulator or CO2 tank. The 5-pound CO2 tanks do ship empty for federal regulation reasons. And we do also give you enough hose clamps to secure all your lines and everything like that. And once you get it more set up and everything like this, this is what it's gonna look like a bit more. And you've got a regulator, which once again is extra, as well as the CO2 tank. This has a blue line to connect that up there like that. And the CO2 will run to your manifold, which then splits it. You can take your ball lock connections and put them on the end of a corny keg or a normal keg that has a coupler with the ball lock adapters. And then you take these lines, your liquid out, and it's the same deal. Put it on corny keg or ball lock adapters, and then these lines run to your jockey or jumper box.